Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. What we can see that there is a continuous downtrend we can see in the price of silver. So now, as if I have already told you that if it goes below a level of 22.175, then there is chances it can go further low. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. You can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. See, look at this chart. What this chart shows that the downtrend is continuous, and if the price goes below a level of 22.095 again, then it can go further low to a level of 21.60217. okay, because these all levels are already tested twice, so chances will be very high. If it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.60217. okay, suppose if the price goes above this level, above a level of 22.19015, suppose if the price stays above this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 22.48978. suppose if the price stays more above this level, then we can see a level of 22.63772, and because these levels are already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 22.785566, or it can go further high to a level of 22.88428. okay, and suppose if the price stays more above this level, then we can see further high to a level of 23.18015, and because these levels are already tested twice, so chances are high it can go and further touch a level of 23.47602. But suppose if the price goes below a level of 22.185, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 22.09529, and if it goes more further low, then we can see, because these levels are already tested 22.04597, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 21.65148. it can go and touch, suppose, and from there we can see a bounce back, because this level is only tested once, and if it goes, suppose if it bounce back from this level, and again if it comes again, then chances are high then it can go further low. So before that, I want to explain few things to you, that see, if this is a trend line, if it touches once, then chances are high it can bounce back. If it touches twice, then chances are high it can bounce back, but if it comes for the third time, then chances are high it can go and cross this. okay, and first of all, one more thing, that suppose if you are in a profit of $100, which is you and suppose if this $100 comes down to 80, please exit the trade for the day. Or if you have set your limit for a loss for per day, that is around, suppose if it 30 to 100, whatever as per your comfort zone, and if it comes suppose if it comes around $30, then exit the trade for the day. That is so that you can trade properly tomorrow, otherwise you will be in a burden of that particular trade. Suppose you made $200 or $300 loss in a particular day, and then next day if you trade, then it will be a burden for you to recover that money, and then this trade also can be a problem for you. So I always advise, please do proper risk management, then trade accordingly. This is some psychology. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me. okay, then we can do one-on-one workshop. You can attend with the group also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.